This video is in conjunction with Palatrack Sackle, Catch More Fish, and Ashima, the future of fishing.
Morning, it's 10:38 on Boxing Day. Feel a little bit heady this morning, as you'd expect. Really good night last night. We're up at the clubhouse. Barbecue, music, no pong. Yeah, really good time. All the girls and boys up there had a good laugh. Here comes Dennis now. Here he is. And yeah, just got 4 rods out. Got one over here, just not that far out this time, in the margins really, that one. See some blowing when I turned up, so I've just chucked that on top of where the blowing's coming up. This on a predator rod, again, not that far out, just on a little tiny fish head. I've got 1 rod over there, which done me a couple of bites yesterday, so yeah. All right, mate, how you feeling? Morning?
Well,
right,
not
mate.
too bad.
Yeah, I don't feel too bad, yeah. It's a little bit, still half asleep feeling, you know?
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks nice, doesn't it? It feels warm today.
It feels really hot.
Yeah.
Started early, no wind.
Yeah.
A bit of hope today.
Yeah. Seen a couple of patches of blowing, bubbles coming up out there today.
Really good.
Yeah. Oh no, this is a stick. Oh yeah, I've got 1 rod over there in the corner again as well. Oh yeah. It'll be a good day, mate. Oh, breakfast will be turning up shortly. Dennis has just gone to cook it. Mike and his daughters are down there eating theirs at the moment. And yeah, just going to do something I don't normally do actually, is put a Mekong float out. We've got all day here today, it's our last day and I want to make the most of it. The conditions have been really tricky. It's actually literally just started getting cold in the northeast of Thailand about 9 days ago. You know, sort of Thai winter temperatures, never really good for fishing. So it has got warmer today, so hopefully they'll start to feed. But yeah, we're going to put a few rods out. Got 4 out at the moment. I'm going to put a 5th one out. Maybe even put another predator rod somewhere around the lake as well a little bit later. But yeah, let's see the float and the lum mix. Good morning, Malia.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you? You okay? Yeah.
Good morning.
Awesome. Look at
Good
that.
morning.
Morning. Thank you. Thank you very
Shy
much
now.
for the breakfast. Cheers, mate. That's lovely. Awesome, that. Just what I need at the moment. Get me going for the day. Super. Cheers, mate. Awesome. Nice. It's 11:30. Mike's got a fish on a predator rod. Gonna get those rods out of the way. Oh, he just dropped some bits of fish in off the edge there, and I see him walking around doing it, and it's paid off because he's got a fish on there now. Could be something different. Red tail, I think. Asian.
I think it's,
Asian.
it's
Oh, nice, a leopard.
Yes,
Leopard. Nice. Right, Mike. Nice one. Nice one, Mike. That's leopard catfish. Cross between a red tail and something else, isn't it?
Keep it up with it for a second. Yes.
Red tail and a tiger.
Yeah, red-tailed tiger shovel.
Yeah.
Try to hold it more like in the middle here. Right. Yes, that's good. That's it out. Yes, perfect.
Just getting there after you, mate.
Nice.
Okay.
Awesome. Okay, mate, just get us. Okay. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Nice one. Well done, mate. First of many.
Yeah. Missed 3 runs today.
On a carp or a predator?
Carp.
It's midday now. It's half an hour after Mike just caught a leopard. Philippe's got a fish on. Oh shit, I didn't bring the net. You got a net here?
Oh, albino Sawai again, mate. Nice one. Sawai cow.
Oh yeah.
Definitely a bigger one. This is a normal one, I think, not a small body. Not sure.
Nice.
Nice
Well done,
one.
mate. Awesome.
Thank
Well
you,
done,
Phil. She drew the pellet.
Oh yeah, nice one. Well done, Paddy.
Cheers. Cheers,
Well done,
man.
Phil. Nice one, mate.
Oh, that's a beauty.
Yeah. Yeah, lovely condition, mate. Beautiful.
That's nice. Very nice color. It's better than the other one.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, nice
This,
one.
Definitely.
this is albino fish then? Or
Yeah.
It's only, yeah?
Yeah, it's got a red eye. Yeah.
Yeah. Swine.
Good play.
Just give me a minute.
Careful those pecs. Oh. fin at the front. Take that away.
Oh, cheers then. Nice little fuck.
Well done, Phil. Nice one, mate.
Yeah, cheers guys. I'm happy with that.
Well done, mate. Brilliant.
Micro pellet then. Really good.
Got a bite. I feel.
Come on, Danza.
Get round there quick on a bike from walking. Just don't crash it. It's not pulling at the moment, so hopefully it's still on there. It's gone, mate, it's gone.
Oh.
It's a snag. Fuck it.
Nice fish, man.
Fucking hell, Phillipe was flying to the other side of the lake. He's like the Luigi. Driving, flying. Not running, flying. Hooked up to the fish. There you go. Sounds nice. Sounds like a nice fish. This rod seems to produce a lot of fish. It's nice to see the bar. Mike went home. He had a bit of a hangover from last night. I think we all had. Didn't do it too crazy. I think till midnight stopped, so it was all good. How are you feeling, guys?
Okay.
Yeah?
No, I'm not back.
You're fast as fuck, mate.
I'm fast.
Yes.
Yeah. That was a good run.
Definitely.
Oh, this fucking bank is deep as fuck. It might be a ripsaw, man.
I hope it's Julian's.
He ran very fast, it might be Julian's.
No, I hope a black shark minnow or something like that. But yeah, she's saying he's going not really going into the bank now.
I can bet on ripsaw, honestly.
But I love to see something different like emerald or black air. Suncorn is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, emerald can still come. We'll see. It looks like not swim really fast. It's a beautiful one though.
Yeah, nice one.
There you go, take a good look at Phillipe's tramp stamp.
Sorry for the lights, my head probably is shining at the moment. Fucking bad.
The Italian Popeye.
Yes! Not that. Fuck's sake.
Nice.
Good Phil, that's great. Good
Well
Phil.
done, mate.
Okay. Nice, huh? Good fight, wasn't it? A two-packer now. None of them have bit me off, luckily.
Yeah, that's ridiculous, man.
Yeah.
Hat trick.
Nice. Okay.
Refreshing.
Feels feel like jumping in as well. Brilliant. Awesome, that. Nice one. We're going to go and fish the growing ponds in a minute. See if we can catch a few species out of there on a bit of light tackle on a cage feeder. So yeah, nice one. Cheers, mate. Okay, we're on the way to one of the stock ponds. my guide with me, showing me lots of little species in here. Hopefully we're going to catch a few new species for me. Nice little cage feeder there. We've got bread punch and worms. I'm going to give it a go. I think Dennis has got some little fish bits as well we can try. But yeah, we'll catch a few nice fish. Fucking hell. Well, here's the carp lake, a stock pond as well. It's got lots of Siamese and stuff in here. Common carp growing on. Looks lovely. The weeds around the edges. We've got 3 stock ponds here as well. I think we're going to fish all 3 of them. I think we're going to start on the M1 first. Yeah. See how we get on.
You can see we put the electric all the way around.
Yeah.
We got a new water well there.
Right.
But we still got all the aerators, as you can see, they're on 24/7. The lake's is 4 or 5 meters deep.
Wow, nice.
They're pretty deep.
Okay.
Here's like 300 peacocks. We got some granulated, rockbarkus. Wow, so many species.
Nice, man.
Phoenix barbs.
Nice. Sounds good. Never caught a phoenix barb. Okay, so you've got 2 more lakes here. You've got no fish in these ones at the moment?
Yes, I got the fish in all ones except for this. This one is waiting for the Brazil order.
Right.
As you can see, it's a bit shallow now.
Yeah.
What is going down. But I think overall we got now like 28 species in the lake, divided
Okay.
to 5 lakes.
Nice, man.
So you can see they're pretty big,
Yeah.
very deep. So we can let them grow to I hope a couple of kilo, maybe 3, 4
Yeah.
before we go to change the lake.
Very interesting. We'll get a few fish. Oh, back breaking my ankle. Okay, where are we going first then?
Huh?
This one, yeah? Okay. Right. Then it's got a crystal eye. Okay, nice one. 1-0.
1-0.
Nice one, that's a good idea.
Love this fish, such a beautiful fish.
Nice one. Awesome, mate. Sun a bit. Oh, come on, this one. Nice one, well done, mate. Brilliant. Okay.
Yeah.
Jealous. Nice one, well done, mate. Awesome.
There we go. Oh, take it there. There's 1-1.
1-1.
As you can see, beautiful surroundings. They're working on the land there, taking the sugarcane off at the moment. Got some powder plants there. Yes. Looking good.
Nice one. Awesome, that. Crystal catfish. Beautiful, aren't they?
Really nice.
Put them back in the net. Cheers, mate. Oh, fuck, no. Line everywhere.
Spicy one, this one.
Tangled in the weeds at the moment. Careful.
Come on.
That's it, you got him. Well done, mate.
Yeah, I'm not sure they haven't been come out for now 6-7 months, but I mean they did really good in the beginning. I think it's just periods they like to feed. They don't like to feed.
Yeah. Well done, mate. You snag.
There you go.
He's out. Well, Dennis thinks it's a vulture catfish.
Ah, fuck.
That's another one, isn't it? That's one. The dominant feeders, aren't they?
Yeah, definitely. Oh, took them out already. It's a nice size one again.
Yeah.
Definitely start to grow.
Nice one, well done, mate.
Beautiful
Lovely,
fish.
beautiful. Nice one. And if you're interested in buying some fish, give Dennis a shout.
Then just got the fish of the day.
2 species. Have a dangle in the next pond. What you got in this one?
Selfin pims, jaguars, leopard, tigrinas, yellow tigrinas,
Wow.
elephant fish that Phillipe likes so much.
Okay, nice one. Awesome. Let's give it a go. A new species, hopefully.
Definitely.
Hey, what is that?
That's leopard.
Oh, what?
A leopard catfish.
Okay, nice man.
Definitely a nice one. I take it in.
Camera on. Nice one, yeah. Brilliant. Look at that leopard catfish. Awesome. Where do they come from in the world?
Peru.
Peru, man. Try and put it down. Alright, nice one. Caught a couple of fish there. Set the camera out, and now we're off to another grain pond. What we got in there, Dan?
The platinum, red tail, firewoods. What we got in here? Earweenies.
Yeah.
Tarpons,
Nice.
ritas,
Awesome.
a bit of everything.
Nice one. Made it with tackle. Did get a missed call off Phillipe while we're down there, so he might have had a fish. It's Hannah. Fern and Hannah, David.
What you got, mate?
Another Paco then.
Oh yeah, okay mate, nice one. Okay.
About the same size. I just got one Sawai.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
You got it there now, have you?
What about you?
What was that? That cat-
Leopard.
Leopard
Leopard,
catfish.
nice.
Yeah, yeah. We had a few crystallized catfish.
Nice one, yeah. You
It's
got
like-
some live bait as well.
You got one in there. Yeah.
One. Okay. Nice.
That's one. Okay, mate. Super.
Let's try to get the platinum for a second.
The Paco make your hook straight.
Okay, mate. No worries.
Petty, come on! No, at least it looks like they're starting to feed a bit more again.
Yeah. Nice one.
Yeah.
Yep.
He's there. He doesn't really like me much.
Oh yeah. Nice man.
Show yourself a bit, mate. Come on. There you go.
Big enough, isn't it?
Yeah, he's proper size.
Nice, mate.
Yeah, not going with them anymore.
No. But some other growing ponds now, just behind the clubhouse. There's one here we're going to fish first. Another one behind us. Fish just come up there. Is there fish in that one as well? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So there's another 3 here. There's another 4. There's one over there as well.
Shuffle heads in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got 4 here. 3 this size, and then the big one.
Nice. So you've got like 7 or 8 growing ponds in total at the moment.
10.
10. Wow. Awesome, man. What a place. All right, let's get the bait out.
Ah, cheeky day. Look at that.
Nice, man. Well, we've had a couple of Java barbs each, and Dennis just caught a nice bigger one.
Yes.
Probably a bit big for a live bait, that one. Oh,
Yeah.
nice,
Nice,
man.
nice.
Lovely. Awesome. I think some of these barbs are different types of fish. Like you get different colour ones, different scales, patterns, different size, shape ones.
This one look a bit different, doesn't
Yeah.
it? Yeah.
Nice one, mate. Nice one. Well done, mate. Brilliant. Platinum red tail. Okay. Good fish care every time.
Yeah, beautiful fish, isn't it?
They're lovely, aren't they? Almost like albino, aren't they? Yeah, nice one, Dennis. Awesome, mate. Lovely looking fish, aren't they? Beautiful. Nice one, mate. Awesome, mate. Look at that. That's all albino swine, future 50-pounder. Nice one. Cheers, mate.
Super vibes with Harvey and Danzak. Oh yeah.
Under here.
Yes, under.
Hope you don't damage your hands. You're cooking tonight.
Yes. We need those hands. What's that, Philippe?
Yes.
You worked hard for that all week?
Oh yes, mate. We see this cut through the line, and now it's here. Look at that beauty. Look at the marks on the tail. Yeah, there you go. He's doing.
Okay, let's go into the water with it.
Laat ze den tot weer mee.
Yeah, let's go into the water, mate.
Fish, isn't it? Awesome, mate. Well done.
Cheers, guys.
Yeah, mate.
Very pleased with that.
Very nice.
Put the fish down and look at the water level. Try to get the fin in a bit.
มีทั้งเม็ดอันเนี้ย
Yes. Mega special, mate.
Oh yes, mate.
Brilliant.
It is.
Can you hold it like a torpedo to me again? Not too much, not too much. Yes, like that. Yes. Perfect. They get big, Dennis? Keep the mouth careful. You want to try the other side? Just lift it down and try to switch it. If it goes, it goes.
Try to switch.
Yes, try to
I
switch
think
side.
there is no way.
Okay, keep it like that.
แตนโต๊ะ
It's okay. It's okay. You got it.
You definitely fucking got it, mate.
Now I can cook in the fucking Polonaise.
Yes.
Nice one. Well done. Well done, Phil. Awesome, mate. Brilliant.
Yes, Dan.
Well done. You deserve it, mate. Brilliant.
อันนี้เชียร์รถตัวซ้าย
Oh,
เอาไป
that's
ได้
a
เลย
nice
Oh,
photo,
it's
mate.
okay. It's okay.
Well, after the Irvini, you got another one. Looks like it turned on a bit. Yeah, definitely feels better. I go get the landing net. Okay, it's nice stuff.
The other side. Oh, it's off now. It's on. Yeah, cheers.
Biggest one so far. Cheers, mate. Thank you. Lovely, that. Beautiful. Chat a bit.
Nice one, man. It's off the aerated spot down in the corner.
Nice, nice.
Nice, that.
There we go.
Super. Cheers, mate.
Cheers.
Awesome. Thank you. About 6 o'clock now, and it's our final day at Chaiyaphum Monster Fishing Lakes. We've had an awesome time over Christmas, and Philippe has just made us an authentic
Thank
spaghetti
you, guys.
bolognese, mate. He's going to whack a bit of cheese in there.
Italians know on that.
Nice, mate. Awesome.
You want an oil, bro?
Yeah, go on, mate. Whack it in there. Cheers, mate. Lovely. You're spoiling us, man. Thank you very much. Wow.
You want a cheese?
อันนี้ยัวไม่ใช่เหรอ
Mm.
Questo del Fern
Okay.
Nice.
เฟิร์นเอาชีสไหมหนู
Yes.
เอา
Let's eat some
Nice
Italian
one.
shit.
Awesome.
Cheers.
Cheers, mate. We're just having our first beer.
โอเคเฟิร์นบอกเลย
Try to capture the nice sunset. Beautiful. Guy sitting on the other side, bungalow. Looking stunning now. I hope I can put it in perspective. It looks amazing. Phillipe Mike just came up here. Lovely. Got the Irvini fin today. Really happy with that. Yeah. Okay, guys. Bye bye.
Oh, it's 6:40, and just had a few beeps on the alarm. Then on a predator rod, it's on a mussel.
It's a big bait.
We have seen some movement over that rod as well, some blowing and swirling while it was still light. So yeah, Philippe's just going to come fish with us as well. Bit of a social. He's just had a lovely spaghetti bolognese. Really nice, man. Thank you for that. And yeah, we'll fish for a few hours, I think. to redo my rods in a minute as well. And a few beers. Very nice. It's about 7:30 now, I reckon, I guess. Philippe's predator rod's gone off.
Yes.
What, Alabama?
I don't know. It's coming easy.
It's a 15 kilo Dorado.
Yeah.
Yeah, 15 kilo.
It might be a smaller Arapaima.
It's an Arapaima, I think.
Yeah. It's on the surface, come on the surface a couple of times.
Arapaima?
Yeah, you see that?
No, it's not Arapaima.
Oh!
Oh, it's come off. It's come off, huh?
Yes, it's cut the line or something. Fuck.
The gar, maybe?
Look where the stopper is.
Bit enough.
On the carp rod then? Yeah. Oh, that's interesting. What is?
Starry night.
Yes, look at that. That might be something different.
Cheers, Dennis. Cheers, Phil.
Nice man.
Cheers, mate.
It's albino or what?
I think I got your line, mate. Yeah. Second.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
Come on, bite.
Thank you. Okay. Nice one. Unpacking. They're loving me today, aren't they?
Definitely.
Nice one. Good fight there. Cheers.
Perfect condition, man.
Yeah, lovely. Yeah. And the fish.
Nice Dan, Zach.
Oh yeah?
Maybe some fucking bats
Maybe, yeah.
up into the line, I don't know. It might be a grass carp, no? Fucking wolves.
Big one.
Yeah,
Nice one. Nice.
nice size.
Does anybody have the camera?
Yeah. Oh, it's big, man.
Fucking hell, look at that.
Yeah, it's a good
How
size.
tricky to handle. Should I
Yeah.
take the gloves?
Yeah, the gloves and Dan's phone. You can make some photos.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Really for a bat.
Got on it.
Look, the Italian stallion.
That's more like it. Try to get the tail out. A little bit more fun.
Just give me a moment.
There you go.
Awesome. Get your this hand down a little bit if you can.
That's slimy. Try.
Okay, that's it. Yeah, yeah.
Try to
Hold
keep it. Yeah, try to
Make
keep
it a
it
bit
on one
longer.
point. Yeah. Yeah, that's more like it.
Nice one. Big worm.
Ah, it's biting.
Nice one. Well done, mate.
12 kilos, something like that. What do you reckon then?
I think like 7.
Yeah. How many beers you had, mate?
I fucking enjoy this, but we can't do it 3 days ago.
It's Monday 27th now. The mountains look awesome. The clarity of the weather's really clear today, if that makes sense. You can see all the mountain. And Mike is here for how many couple more days?
Yeah, 2 more days.
Yeah,
Yeah.
nice man.
Trying to get the win in the Periba.
Yeah man, yeah definitely.
Let's hope for him.
Yeah, it looks awesome man. It's nice to see when you come back to a lake, you've not been somewhere for like a year or so, you know, see the development of everything,
yeah.
you know. It's with the growing ponds and
Yeah, we went up a bit. The water level went up a bit.
Yeah.
The greenery went up a bit. Definitely.
yeah,
Yeah.
deep around the edges.
Yep.
The water looks really nice,
Yeah.
doesn't it now?
Way better than before.
Yeah.
Definitely. Yeah, I think that things like that need time, you know, when you
Yeah.
just start. Definitely.
Definitely, man. Yeah, it looks awesome. Look forward to getting back here again in the future. Every time we come to Udon, we could stop here. Do you know what I mean?
Nice.
Have a couple of days. So yeah, be awesome, man. Yeah, thanks, Dennis. Awesome.
Thank God for
Yeah.
fun. Now you have to come here.
Yeah, right. That's it. No, brilliant, man. Nice one. Awesome.
See you.
Tight line vibes.
Yes.
Cheers, mate. Nice one.
Bye. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Oh wow. Happy birthday to you.
Wow, lovely. Wow.
Oh, let me light them on again.
Oh, wow.
Like it?
Yeah, wow.